Do you know that kids learn in different ways and at different paces? Personalized learning requires that each student gets a learning plan based on how he learns, what he knows, and what his skills and interests are. It's the opposite of the one-size-fits-all approach used in most schools. On Gradely, personalizing learning starts with a knowledge level test, which will be automatically scheduled for your child immediately you add them to your Gradely account. These tests are standardized for each class. The diagnostic report from this test will highlight the topics that you may be struggling with or excelling at. A personalized learning plan gets created for your child automatically from the diagnostic reports. Gradely AI-powered recommendation system will give your child access to thousands of practice questions, video lessons, and personalized online tutoring tailored towards the learning gaps identified. The personalization and recommendation engine gets more targeted as your child continues to use Gradely. If your child's school uses Gradely LMS, it gets even better. Gradely analyzes your child's performance in the teacher-led homework and classroom assessments and recommends learning resources that will help your child excel in school. So go ahead, join thousands of other smart parents who are creating a personalized learning experience for their child with Gradely.